This is a Sears Kenmore model 1430. It is a vintage all-metal sewing machine with a 1-amp motor. Cosmetically, it's overall good. It does have a little bit of paint wear right on the front edge of the deck there, and just a few nicks on the top panel. It has 12 built-in stitches, including stretch. It has adjustable stitch length, adjustable stitch width, and feed dog drop. And of course your bobbin winder up there, and it is twin needle capable. It uses class 15 bobbins and short or low shank feet and attachments. It does come with a buttonholer ready to go and a few bobbins. Unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of short shank accessories at this point, so you get the zigzag foot that you see. But accessories are easily found on eBay or other sites. It's a very nice, strong machine, quiet running. And I lost my fabric. There it is. And I'm going to sew some things for you. I just hemmed 3 pairs of my daughter's jeans with this before I started the video. Very nice. It's tabletop ready, or you can put it in a Kenmore case or cabinet. If you check my other listings, I usually do have Kenmore carrying cases available for sale. They do ship separately from the machine, so the machine nor the carrying case gets damaged during shipment. Zigzag. Uses 15x1 needles also. Not sure if I said that already. Now let's do a stretch. Stretch zigzag, which is a rick-rack. PDF copy of an instruction manual for a very, very, very similar model will be sent to you after purchase. Alright, let's do some heavy duty stuff. This is 6 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. Nice consistent stitch. 14 layers of cotton. No problem there. Very, very nice stitch. You also get these fabric samples and 4 layers of garment leather. Get up under there. And as typical with most any Kenmore of this era, lots of room under the presser foot. 6 quarters, I believe. Of course, that doesn't mean it's going to sew something that thick. That just means that that presser foot will lift up and give you that much clearance to get your project under there. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 quarters. 6 quarters with room to spare. And that is the Kenmore Model 1430.